Hello, my name's Alan Beach. For those of you who follow my channel, you know that I don't normally speak directly to the consumer. I speak to the shop owner or the front counter of an automotive repair shop. Today I'm going to speak directly to the consumer, and I want to point out 3 signs of poor auto service and how to spot it. I want to compare an auto repair shop to a doctor's office. After all, a doctor takes care of your health, a shop takes care of your vehicle health. And with the cost of auto repair being so high today, I think it's incredibly important. Stay tuned at the end of this video for tips in how to be able to save a significant amount of money in your cost of maintaining a vehicle. So let's get started. So the first sign of poor auto service is when you show up at a shop for the first time and there's no consultation. There's no discussion around what you want out of your vehicle. They're dealing strictly with the problem. You wouldn't accept that from a doctor's office. Why would you accept it from a shop? The second sign of poor auto service is when there's no inspection done on your vehicle. Imagine that they take $1,000 to repair your brakes and there's a lingering repair on your transmission that could cost you $5,000 and render your vehicle not worth repairing. This is a sign of poor auto service. The third sign of poor auto service is when the shop does not recommend maintenance to save you money. After all, studies show that for every dollar spent on maintenance, it could save $15 in repair. So therefore, it's incumbent on the shop to be able to recommend repairs that could save you, the consumer, money. So you can see from these 3 signs of poor auto service that the shop is not involving you, the customer, in the repair. Tell them to slow down and involve you in the process and help you to give you the service that you demand. As promised, I'm going to give you some facts about auto service and how you can save money. Let's understand that the vehicle rolling off the assembly line today is going to be in the market for 23 years, whether you own it or not. And the longer you own your vehicle, the better financial position you're going to be in. So that vehicle today rolling off the assembly line will be in the market till 2043. And let me give you another fact. Many people think that they should be trading their vehicle every 4 years, and that's the most economical way to do this. Here's the reality. For the person that keeps their vehicle every 4 years and then trades it and buys another vehicle versus the person that keeps their vehicle for 8 years, they save almost the price of the vehicle itself. So let's say if it was a $30,000 vehicle, if you trade it every 4 years, versus keeping it for 8 years, you'll save $30,000 by keeping it for 8 years. Surprised by that fact? Well, stay tuned and listen to my future videos about how to save money in auto service. And if you're a shop owner listening to this, click on the link below and download my free book, 12 Steps to Transforming Your Business. I look forward to seeing you in the future.